everyone, I'm here to show the assembly of this double box card. I have most of the pieces layered, so you don't have to watch me do that, but I wanted to show you the actual box assembly. So this is the big piece, and you layer the purple and the orange, the purple and the gray, the cat. I did glitter inkjet paper for all my images. There's two left over. I'll show you where these go, the purple and the orange. These are the box parts of it. These are the inserts that will hold all the images that I have printed. And I have put pieces of acetate onto the images with red line tape on the back, and I will take off this extra piece when I put them actually into the box. So you have your main piece, and you have these two side pieces. I've already put the embellishments on this side. One of the smaller orange and purple goes on the inside. You want the flap on this. This is going to be the back. So this is your left side, and this is your right side, because you have a flap on the front here. So I'm going to glue front flap on. Lay this flat. Get the bottoms even so it folds right. There. And we'll do this side. I embossed the gray with a We Are Memory Keepers embossing folder. It's a geode pattern. Line this up, glue that down, swing the back side around and glue that to the back so your box is squared off. So it lays flat like that. Some glue over here. Glue that to the back. I made cover pieces for all the sides and things, because depending upon which way you fold it flat to mail, because it does fold flat to mail, I just wanted it to be nice. So first we'll put these longer purple orange pieces. It's a great pattern for multiple uses, but since it's Halloween season when I'm doing this, thought it would be good. Okay, so one goes there. Other one. I'm using art glitter glue. Some people really like the Barely art glue. I'm ordering some of that, and see how I like it. This works fine. It's just it's harder to get sometimes in the year. They both dry fairly clear, so you can't see your glue. I did add a little tiny piece of green foil to the back of the cat eyes to make them kind of sparkle. Okay, so now we got this. And we're going to take these two pieces that I lined with the orange, just form a box out of those. Have the orange face the front. Put it inside. And we want it at the top, but also in the middle. Don't come over the top of your box, so it's in there. You want to put this piece on first because you have to put the box inside. But you want to do it after you've got the bigger box glued to the main panel because you want to hide that flap. So we'll do the second one. Have the orange towards the front. Glue that in place. Inside. So now we have this. It can fold flat like this to mail. Okay, so what I did with these pieces, I print and cut all these pieces. Again, the acetate on the back. Take the red liner off and start placing these inside so they pop up. And let's see. But this guy, these are just so cute at a design space. Cute little ghouls. Put this guy in the back. Little black one, black. Reminds me of a licorice. A licorice ghoul. That's what this one is. Okay. There he goes. And this one with the glasses is just fun. Halloween can be spooky, but it can also be fun. So that's what this is about. Put him at the front, I think, because I really like that one. I think it'd be fun to send to kids because they can look at all the costumes they could possibly have. This guy right here. Oh, they're holding hands. See that? It's kind of cool. And let's put this little guy at the back because he's taller. There he goes. This orange M&M. Middle back here. And I have a purple guy left. He needs to go over here. Then I have my phrases. Stick that to the back of a head, I think. Try and not get it out there too far. And this one's bumping the night. So we have that. Then I have these two pieces that are going to go here. I love the inkjet printable paper because it just adds a little bit to your project. Let this dry a little bit more. And put this over here. So that's the assembly of this card, and I hope some of you like making it and share your version. The file will be available over on the Facebook group Cricut Explorer, Maker, and More. We share our files freely over there, so hope you enjoy. Make one of your own. Thanks.